Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. A very good noon to all of you. It's me Biborno Shahin. Welcome to my another new video. Dear guys, hope you all are great. I'm also super gorgeous by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Dear guys, now I would like to discuss with you about regular uses important short sentences. Let's get started. First one is বাইরে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. It's raining outside. বাইরে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. It's raining outside. আকাশ আজ মেঘাচ্ছন্ন. Today sky is cloudy. Today sky is cloudy. আকাশ আজ মেঘাচ্ছন্ন. Oh dear guys, নিচে গাছটিতে ফুল ধরেছে. গাছটিতে ফুল ধরেছে. The tree is in flower. The tree is in flower. গাছটিতে ফুল ধরেছে. পাখিটি কি সুন্দর. How beautiful the bird is. How beautiful the bird is. পাখিটি কি সুন্দর. And আজকে আমার জ্বর বোধ হচ্ছে. I feel feverish today. I feel feverish today. Okay guys, I request to you to share the video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Take care and assalamu alaikum.